Hi, today I'll be showing you how to create assignment using upload. So here you will be, if you have your own set of questions, right, you can use upload and set your own question paper. So I'll click on upload assignment. So I'll give the test, demo test, and today's date. Okay. So and next I want to take the roll number of students. Yes, select date. So I want students to take the test from tomorrow until 14th, and I'll keep the test time as 9 a.m. So the test will be enabled tomorrow, that is on 7th at 9 a.m. and test will be disabled at 6 p.m. on 14th. So number of participants is 1000. Okay. So duration. So I want to select the duration. So I am planning to give 15 questions for 15 minutes. So I've selected duration as 15 minutes. So students can take 15 minutes from, the test is enabled from 9 a.m. tomorrow, that is 7th, until 14th 6 p.m. So in this time period, I can take the test for 15 minutes. So create test and upload question. So firstly, we have a section name. So enter section name. So you can have a different sections like quant section, verbal section, reasoning, or if you don't want all of this, you can just give it as aptitude or any section name, or you personality test or anything, and you can add the questions. So I'll give it as quant as section 1, and I'll keep what is the sequence. So you want this particular section to be displayed first to the student, second, so you can select the sequence. I want this particular sequence to be displayed first, so I'm selecting the first sequence. So instruction, if you have any particular instruction for the students, you can add here. So I'll add the instruction. Please read the question carefully before answering them. Okay. And no negative marking. No negative marking for any question. So you can add your instruction in here. And let's add the questions now. So I'll click on this particular button. Now the questions field is enabled. So we have, firstly I'm selecting write a question. So single correct option. So there are different types of question that you can select, like single correct option, two correct option. So for example, your question has two right answer, so you can choose two correct option. So your question has three correct option, then three correct option, four correct option. So and we also have fill in the blanks and true or false type of question. So first let me select single correct option. So I'll add the question, what is 2 plus 2? Okay. So now let's add the option. So I'm giving the option 1 as 1, option 2, 2, option 3, 3, and option 4 as 4. So option 4 is the right answer now. So I have to choose the right answer, which is option 4. Okay. So if you want to add any explanation for students, you can add the explanation. So I'll just skip it as of now. And so it's standard marking, fully correct. You don't have to select it because 1 marks will be given to students. So you can only use this particular ranking if you have 2 correct, 3 correct, or 4 correct options. So let's keep it. It is not required for singly correct answers. We also have category name, add topic name, and add subtopic name. So you can give this detail if you want to give more clarity for students. It is not compulsory. If you don't want to, you can skip this section too. So let's add our second question. So I'll choose 2 correct option. Select all the odd numbers from odd numbers below. Okay. So I'll give the options 1, 2, add option 3, add option 4. So there are 2 correct options, right? Or number 1, that is 1, and 3 are the odd numbers. So there are 2 correct options for this particular question. So write option 1 is correct, that is the right answer 1, and next option 3 is correct. So I can go here and choose the option 3. Okay. So now there is 2 right answer. Now we can change the markings. So fully correct, give 2 marks. Not fully correct. So for example, they have choose option 2 and option 4. That means both the answers are not right. Not fully correct, 0 marks. Okay, so give 0 marks. So partial marking. So if they have choose one right option, for example, they've chosen option 1 and then they've chose option 4, so that means one option is correct, so then give 1 mark. So partial correct, give 1 mark to the question. So this is how you can choose the marks allocation. So again, next I'll choose the same thing goes here. You can choose 3 correct option, and you can give the right option, 3 options. You can come to the marking. If fully correct, give 3 marks. Not fully correct, 0 marks. Partially correct, 1 marks or 2 marks. So you can give it your way. You can choose the marking over here. Yeah. So once you're done adding all your questions in the quant section, so you can create a new section also. For example, you want to give verbal ability question. So, yeah, so you can create this verbal sequence 2. So I want this to be displayed at second. So I'm selecting 2, and you can add your instruction. Then again, click on this, add your questions. So once you're done adding the questions, you can click on next. So a link is generated. So you can copy this link and share it to the students, and students using this link will be taking the test in the given time frame and the date frame. Thank you.